Hey guys, it's Roy Rotator here. I realized that my Pac-Man Arcade 1-Up would turn on. See? Well, I took the parts out. So I tried plugging it in, but it won't work. I looked inside, but I don't know what's causing this issue right now. So it won't turn on. I don't know if there's any issue with it. Leave comments, like, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.